Good morning, everybody. So today is Thursday. I am already out of the house. It is 7:54. I'm gonna try and make TJ Maxx opening. Yesterday I did not make the TJ Maxx opening because traffic, but I left later. Right now there's a ton of traffic going to another TJ Maxx, and so I ended up opening up a Marshall's. I think I mentioned that in yesterday's vlog. This is the second time I've done opening. Yesterday was a huge fail. I didn't find anything really that I wanted, and so today I hope I have better luck. We shall see. There's a car coming.
Mommy, I have to go pee.
Just made the kids some lunch. They are eating shells and cheese and some nuggets, and so we put her princess dress back on as soon as we got back to the room. Oh my gosh, she's crazy. Okay guys, so this is the hemp seed and chia seeds that I put in the refrigerator overnight. I'm going to go ahead and show you what else I put in it. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it like a little stir. You can add more almond milk or whatever if you want to. This is very filling, so I don't add too much. But the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to add some just pecans. And again, it's so filling that you really don't need that many. I'm just using these raw ones from Trader Joe's. Raw pumpkin seeds, again, just a little bit goes a long way. And like I said, it's very filling. Some almonds. Some liquid stevia, just for some sweetness. I'm gonna add some of this almond butter. I'm just gonna do like a half a teaspoon because it is so thick, and you already have all of those nuts in it, so you really don't need that much. And then some coconut, unsweetened coconut flakes. And that's it. You give it a stir. You get all that yumminess in there. And like I said, you could add more. If you like it more like a thicker consistency, you can just leave it like this. But if you like it more like soupy, you can add more milk to it. But yeah, that's pretty much how I make this. Okay, you guys, so I got a package here at the hotel. Zoe's a little upset because Daddy went downstairs. It's okay. Anyway, I got a package, and let me open it for you guys. Okay, so far so good. Here, Zoe. Whee! 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. They're not even bubble wrapped. Holy shit. And they survived. Oh my god. I cannot believe they weren't even bubble wrapped, you guys. What in the freak?
Whoa, Mama, look at this. I'll start, Mama.
I cannot believe that they weren't bubble wrapped and they freaking survived. I'm so shook right now.